You can hear me. Yeah. Hi. My name is Reggie.
Reggie.
And what's your name?
I'm Brie.
Very nice to meet you, Brie.
I saw it and I was like, I need to see who this is.
Awesome. Well, why don't you come around and maybe we can do a song together?
Hey.
Well, okay. Well, this is sing with me, so
I have to sing with you?
it would be a lot of fun, wouldn't it? Come on. So, won't you come around here? Okay.
What are we singing?
Let's see here.
One song and then I gotta go home.
Okay, perfect.
Cute.
That's all we need.
Call me after work.
Okay. Do any songs come to mind for you?
What songs do you like?
Let's see. Can I have a list?
Is this for you or what is this for?
So it is a public service where I invite everyday people to just come and sing a song and feel better about their day.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Where do you post it?
Well, we're live, so it goes right on YouTube right now.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like karaoke. No, I love this. This is great.
So you were working all day?
I work right around here. I work for a custom hearing protection company, actually. So if you ever need custom earplugs, call me.
Sure.
Oh my God, human nature is simple and easy. You won't be belted on the street.
What's that?
Okay, human nature.
Human nature.
Let's do human nature. Do you have a mic? Or are you just playing?
I just play.
Okay. Do I hold it or?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
I'm curious, like, what makes that song special to you?
What makes the song special? My dad likes Michael Jackson, so I grew up listening to it.
Nice.
It's just a fun song to sing because it's pretty.
Nice.
It's a pretty song.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's do it.
So funny. Send this to my mom. She'll get a kick out of this.
Nice. Let's see here.
Sounds good. Yeah. Ready?
Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice across my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. And if this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why?